Hi everybody, welcome to Tavish Academy. Today we are discussing about one of the very prestigious courses of India, that is CA, which stands for Chartered Accountant. Here are the details of CA Foundation course. So here we will be discussing the eligibility, registration and fees, syllabus, examinations and passing criteria. Students who are appearing or who have appeared for the class 12 examination conducted by an examining body constituted by the law in India can apply for the foundation course. Any stream of student can apply for the CA foundation course. There is no minimum percentage marks required for registration. Registration and fees. You can register online through ICAI portal. Registration fees is rupees 9200 for Indian students. Students after registration to the course are required to complete a minimum of 4 months study period from the date of registration in order to be eligible to appear in the foundation examination. Students registered on or before 30th June or 31st December will be eligible to appear in November or May examination. Examination. Foundation examinations are held twice in a year in the month of May and November. You need to register for examination by filling up CA Foundation examination form by paying rupees 1500 online, which is announced in the month of March and September for CA Foundation examination of May and November respectively. So here we see the syllabus. There are 4 papers. Paper 1, Principles and Practices of Accounting. Paper 2, Business Law and Business Correspondence and Reporting. Paper 3, Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and Statistics. Paper 4, Business Economic and Business and Commercial Knowledge. Passing criteria. Paper 1 and 2 will be subjective and 3 and 4 will be objective types. In the objective type paper, there will be negative marking for which 0.25 marks will be deducted for 4 incorrect answers. Minimum marks for passing is 40 marks in each paper and overall there shall be a 50% aggregate.